Welcome to Instabids Restaurant Owner Dashboard Demo. The topics we'll cover in this video are updating profile and settings, updating business hours, creating and updating menu, app credentials for your staff, checking report and history, and creating bonuses. First, we'll talk about logging into the dashboard. So you will be given the URL for the dashboard, also the credentials, so username and password. So enter the username, which will be your email address, and the password associated to that. Click on login. So once you log in, you will see the dashboard. The first thing we encourage you to do is check your profile and make sure all the details you have entered are correct. To check that, click on the name of your restaurant on the top right corner. Click on my profile. So on the top you will see 4 tabs. One is restaurant details, owner details, company details, and account details. Restaurant details will contain all the information about your restaurant name, region, address, phone number, email address, website, cuisine type, and service types. Cuisine types, you can select multiple cuisines by holding down the control button or command button on your keyboard, and you can select multiple cuisine types. Service type, you can also select multiple, and then you click on next. Owner details, and this is where you will fill all the information about the owner of the business. Click next. On the company details page, you will enter all the details according to how your company has been registered. For example, some restaurants might have a different name as per the registration, and that is what you need to fill here. And then click next. Finally, you will fill the bank account details, and this is to receive the payouts. So make sure you enter all the details correctly, and then click on finish. Next, we'll talk about how you can update or add the business hours for your restaurant. On the menu left side, click on restaurant and then click on business hours. Here you can select a days of the week. You can even select multiple days by holding down the command or control key on your keyboard. Just select here 10, and then you can click on AM or PM. Usually it's AM, and then end time, and then all you have to do is click on save. So that's how you add the hours. If you want to edit the existing hours, you can go down and click on, for example, Monday, you have changed your times. Click on that, and once you click on that, it will come on the top of the screen. So you go there and you will select 9 and then click OK, and you click again here, and here you can click on 12, say 12:30 p.m. click OK, and then click on save. So the data updated successfully. You can even delete by clicking on the delete button given here. So let's talk about how to add restaurant menu items on Instabids dashboard. On the left side, you click on manage menu and click on category. First, you need to create the categories of items before creating the actual menu items. So for example, we'll create appetizers, and the description is appetizers to start with. You can give whatever description you want, and then you have to select whether this is a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Now click on save, and you will see the categories at the bottom of the screen. On the left side, click on menu items. You click add, and first you will select an item which category it belongs to. For instance, it belongs to appetizers. And then the name of the item, chicken wings, and you can enter the item price, let's say 150 rupees. An item description, right? You will select whether this is a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, and if you have any images you can click on that, and then you can click on save. So now you have successfully created an item in the menu. Let's talk about how you can create mobile app credentials for your employees. On the left hand side, you click on restaurant and click on employees. Enter the first name of your employee and the last name and his contact details and an email ID of your employee and a password. And once you create that, you click on save and account is created. Now you give this email ID and the password you created to your staff so that they will use these credentials to log into their mobile app of Instabids. Next we'll talk about how you can check the reports. So on the menu, go to reports and click on bid requests. So this is the page that you will use to check all the bid requests, orders that you have received so far. So you can filter them based on the date, or you can check a particular bid ID or a bill number, or you can check based on the customer name or the diner number, or even a bid type and the bid status, whether the bid has been sent or accepted and all that stuff. And you have a separate page for completed orders, and this page will show you only the orders that have completed, which means those are the orders you have received the payments. So once a payment is received, then the order is marked as completed. Let's talk about how you can create bonuses for your customers. On the menu, you click on restaurant and you will see the two separate pages. One is called restaurant bonus, the other is referral bonus. A referral bonus is for your prospect customers. They are new customers for you. They haven't visited your restaurant yet. So this is a very nice way to bring in new customers. So you click on referral bonus and you create a referral code for them, and that referral code you can distribute via any media, asking them to create an Instabids account using that referral code, which will give them the amount or the percentage of discount you have defined that they can use only in your restaurant. So for that, you can enter the title, and then you can select which region you want this bonus to be distributed if you have multiple locations, and then you will select the bonus type. You can give the bonus on the percentage on the bill or a fixed amount, and a referral code will be system generated. You can change it however you want, and then the offer amount, so you can define how much amount you want to give them to, let's say in this case 50 rupees, and then you can also define the validity of this particular bonus and then click on save. So now a bonus has been created. Next we will talk about the restaurant bonus. A restaurant bonus is for your existing customers. The purpose of this bonus is to make your first time customer to come back second time and then third time and again, because you need to make a customer at least 3 times to come back to make him a loyal customer. So we'll see how you can create it. Click on add new, and here you can select the bonus type, and this is so flexible that you can create a bonus either for all customers or a specific customers or a customer that belongs to a specific region or city. Let's say in this case we are going to create specific to a one particular customer, and then you can create check the name. For example, you check for a customer name, and this bonus will go only to that particular customer. Title, the bonus type you're again going to give on a rupees. You can change the bonus code or you can leave it as it is, and the bonus value you can define how much ever you want, and then the date you will say you were planning to give a future date, let's say for the Christmas, and it expires on the next day of the Christmas, and you click on save. Now you see a specific bonus has been given 25 rupees and the start date and all. So that customer will receive an email notification. It reminds them to come to your restaurant rather than going to some other restaurant. And that's how Instabits help you to bring back your loyal customers. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to Instabits support team. Thank you.